Welcome gang, so you got yourself a watch, a Galaxy watch that is, 46mm, and you think, hey, I'm going to scratch this case here. Well, got something on the mail here that might fix that and help you guys out. Let's get cracking. Okay, again, some awesome products from my mates at Banggood. A couple of different bands for the Galaxy watch, a blue and an orange, so I'll fit those and check it out. And I've actually already got, you can't see it, but on here I have a screen protector. It's a tough glass one, so any scratches or knocks to the glass, I know it's Gorilla Glass, you can still damage it. So that's going to help protect that. To protect the outer casing of the watch, however, link in the description, of course, and this funky little rubber unit here. And quite simply, it slips straight over the top of the watch and protects all this nice, shiny silver stuff. On the microfiber. Okay, so if you've just picked up one of these watches brand new like me, then you'll know there's plastic on it. This plastic's really hard to get off. Stress low. Yeah, okay, fair enough. So, plastic off. Let's whack this unit on now. So, all nice and clean. You don't even need to take the bands for to put it on, simply slides over the top. Like so. Make sure they're nicely located in there. Nicely located under the band there. And there you have it. Little holes there for the mic, holes for the buttons, hole for the speaker, speaker and mic. Consider your watch protected. It's gold. Let's stick an orange band on, shall we? At the same time. And change our watch face. All you do is pull that little stud there over. Again, link in the description. Banggood.com, awesome website. If you haven't seen already, do yourself a favour and pay a visit. Okay. Locate that hole, slide the pin down, let it click. Okay, and it clicks. Awesome. Quick light. Orange doesn't go with black, so let's change our screen. Now that one will do. And there you have it. New look. Super protected. Nice bands. Screen protector. Great stuff. Link in the description. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like the orange? Or do you like the black? Or do you like the blue? One for every occasion. 46mm Samsung Galaxy Watch. Great stuff. Check out my other video unboxing this. I'm going to do a few tutorials on it coming up, so yeah, smash that bell, smash that like, drop us a comment. Have a great day.